All right, so let's do just a couple more things, and I'm gonna do one quick thing where I want there to be more of a vignette to focus here. So let's do this, even though I do like, that there's this kind of blue that kind of comes over just a wee bit to kind of lighten that. But I also want to do something else. So let's do this. I'm gonna create a solid. Let's make it black. And I'm going to move that all the way to the top. I'm going to create an elliptical tool, hit Control Shift. Let's move it right about here. Something like that. And what I want to do is let's subtract. So it's like this. Let's go and we're going to feather it. I can also adjust the expansion of it if I want and how much it's going to blend to there. And so that's kind of cool. Can go back to here. Jinkies. Right about there. See how that works. And press T. Yeah, so we could animate that as it's going. So it starts off, it's invisible. And we're going to have it transfer and get dark as this color transition happens. And that'll take some of the brightness out of here as well. Okay, so what I want to do, let's rename this so we know what the heck black solid is. And we're just going to name it Vignette. And with the opacity set to 0, I'm going to key the opacity here. And then as it transitions to here, I'm going to pull that in a bit just to darken out that area so we get more like this. Nice. So you see basically what I'm doing is I can go into any of these and really just start to tweak them out. I can go in and make adjustments. And what am I doing to kind of pop this out more? And I'll go back into that. But that's just a nice little way of like highlighting this a bit. And then we'll add some lighting effects later. But I just wanted to add that one little thing in there. Yeah, that'll work. Sweet. Okay. So then the next thing would simply be we have to do a lightning pass.